The dark side of crypto, scams, hacks, and how to protect your investments. Cryptocurrency has become a popular and lucrative investment option in recent years, but it's not without risks. Along with the potential for high returns, there is also a dark side to crypto, including scams and hacks that can lead to significant losses for investors. In this article, we'll explore some of the common risks associated with cryptocurrency investments and provide tips on how to protect your investments. Scams. One of the biggest risks of investing in cryptocurrency is the prevalence of scams. Scammers often use social media, email, or other methods to promote fraudulent investment opportunities, promising high returns for minimal effort. These scams can be difficult to detect, especially for inexperienced investors, and can lead to significant financial losses. One common scam involves pump and dump schemes, where scammers buy up large amounts of a low-priced cryptocurrency and then promote it to other investors, causing the price to increase. Once the price reaches a certain level, the scammers sell their holdings, causing the price to plummet and leaving other investors with worthless tokens. Another common scam is the use of fake or cloned websites of legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges or wallet providers. These sites are designed to trick investors into entering their login credentials or transferring cryptocurrency to the scammers' wallets. Hacks. Another significant risk associated with cryptocurrency investments is the potential for hacks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are often targeted by hackers who use sophisticated techniques to steal funds from investors. These hacks can result in significant losses, and once the funds are stolen, they are often difficult or impossible to recover. In some cases, hacks are the result of vulnerabilities in the exchange or wallet security, but they can also be the result of user error, such as using a weak password or falling for a phishing scam. Protecting your investments. To protect your cryptocurrency investments from scams and hacks, there are several steps you can take. These include: do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, research the project and the team behind it. Look for red flags, such as exaggerated claims or promises of guaranteed returns. Use a reputable exchange or wallet. Choose a reputable exchange or wallet provider that has a strong security track record and is transparent about its security practices. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Use a strong, unique password for each exchange or wallet and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Be vigilant for scams. Be wary of unsolicited emails, social media messages, or other communications promoting investment opportunities, especially those that promise guaranteed returns. Keep your investments secure. Store your cryptocurrency in a secure offline wallet and only keep the amount you need for trading on exchanges. Stay up to date. Stay informed about the latest cryptocurrency news and trends, and be aware of the risks associated with each investment. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative and exciting opportunity, but it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect your investments. By doing your research, using reputable providers, and staying vigilant for scams and hacks, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns. The visuals in this video were brought to you by Kyber.ai, an innovative video creation platform. You can find my referral code in the description below, which gives you access to a free account and complimentary credits to try out the Kyber platform. By signing up or purchasing a monthly or annual subscription, you'll be supporting me as well, since I earn Kyber credits for referrals. So, if you want to create awesome videos like this one, click the link in the description and join Kyber today.